What's good, guys? Good morning. Welcome back to my channel once again. It's your boy Evans, and I'm back again with another video. So let's get on with today's video, guys, without wasting much time. I'm actually looking at a buy setup on gold this morning, and I want to take this trade with you guys. So let me show you my analysis on this setup and why I want to take this. So starting from the 4H time frame, you can see that this move happened last week after NFP, and it came all the way down here. So this has been a very strong support level from the daily time frame. Price has been reacting to this zone for a very long time, and now price came here and it's actually failing to break below this zone. So that was my confirmation from the 4H time frame, that you see how price is dropping, and then all of a sudden price started giving all these smaller candles. It means price is beginning to lose the bearish momentum, and now the bulls are beginning to take over the market. So that was my first confirmation, and then my second confirmation was, you see this trend line has been broken, and we will be needing price to retest this trend line before we continue with the sale. So that was what I saw from the beginning of the week. So now moving to the 1 hour time frame, I saw this move. This trade over here, I'll be talking about this trade because this was the trade that made me blow my funded account yesterday. So I'll be talking about this trade here. That was why I kept. Normally I don't like keeping this setup, like my setups on the chart. I always take it out at the end of the day so I can start afresh. But because I want to talk about this trade with you guys, that's why I kept it. So I'm going to be talking about this trade after I'm done with my analysis on the trade I want to take. So this was on the hourly time frame. You see, we have a previous high over here. Price created this high, and it was supposed to give me a lower low, but it failed to give me that lower low. It created a lower high, a double bottom, and then we started having these highs. So after price has broken above this zone, it never came to retest. So this morning price came to retest this zone over here. So moving to my 15 minutes, we have a double bottom formation on that zone, double bottom formation over here, and then price has broken above the neckline. I don't know. Price has broken above this neckline. So this is a breakout in a retest setup. I can enter this trade from here, because everything is confirming. I can get my 50 pips or 40 pips stop loss, and then this supply zone, supply zone has also been used. So this is a very good setup for me. I can enter from here. So let me just start entering my setup, my trades from here. And then I'll have my 50 pips stop loss. What's going on here? Then my target will be on this previous. The overall target is inside this zone. But I won't be holding to that side. I will just close it out at the top here where this support level is. So that's what I'll be doing. And why price is supposed to get into that rectangle zone at the top, there is a demand. So why I'm anticipating price to come back into this zone, you see we have a demand zone inside of this zone. So price will have to come into this zone, give me a reaction before it continues with the sale. That's why my overall take profit is supposed to be inside this zone. But as a day trader, I just want to move, take advantage of the small move. I don't intend to be holding this trade all the way to this side. So I'm just, let me start entering the trades on my phone. So guys, I'm done with my entries on the MT5 here. So let me show you how I blew the account yesterday. So this is the dashboard of my challenge account, of my prop firm. This is the dashboard of my prop firm. And you can see, as at yesterday, price was at $500.43, and then I lost everything I lost like 5% of the account yesterday. You see, you failed to pass the challenge. Your lowest recorded balance was $475.03. So I went against my daily loss limit, because I was trying to risk higher. I was going high risk. I was using high risk on this particular trade. Yesterday I saw this setup, and then I decided to go in hard on this trade, because I was risking 5%, which was my daily the daily drawdown limit for me, and then I wanted to risk everything, which is the 5%, to get 5%, because my profit target for phase 2 was 5%. So I was just risking the 5% to get 5%, to be like 1-to-1. Then I'm done with phase 2. So I saw this setup, and then I decided to take it, but this setup did me dirty. And I went against my plan, because I was supposed to risk 2% in a day, which is like $10 in a day. But yesterday, I don't know. We learn from our mistakes. So yesterday, this was the setup I saw. Let me show you what I saw. So you could see that price created a double top over here. And whenever there is a double top, we wait for a break of the neckline and then pull back to retest. But upon opening my chart, you can see that price has been attempting to break below the neckline. And it all failed. This is like 2 hours worth of information, because this on the 30-minute time frame. Price attempted the first time, it failed, second, third, and then this was the fourth time. It was like 2 hours of price attempting to break this neckline, and it's failing. So the last candle that I saw before I knew price, I anticipated the buy was, see this pin bar, this bullish pin bar. Price came all the way back into this zone again, and then it spiked up with this bullish pin bar. So I went to my 15-minute time frame, and then I saw a double bottom formation on the 15 minutes over here around this level. This was a double bottom formation. You have our first low, second low, and then breakout of this neckline to the top, to the upside. So I went to my 5 minutes time frame, and then it was very clear over here. So you see, price has been selling, and then when it reached here, when it reached the neckline zone, it created this low, went up, came back, and then it created an equal low. Then we had a break of this neckline. So this was where I decided to take the trade. Price broke above this neckline, it came back to retest, and then it started pushing up. So I entered the trade with all this bullish move, and immediately I entered the trade, price came back. It stopped me out before moving back in my direction. So that was how I lost, or that was how I failed the challenge. The market will do what it has to do, but you have to just stick to your plan. And I knew if I had just risked my 2% that I was supposed to be risking, if I had just used that same risk, I would have gotten another opportunity to enter this buy again. Yes. Sorry about that. So if I had just stick to my plan yesterday, I would have made some money, some profits on top of the account yesterday. Because I got reckless with my or I couldn't be disciplined enough to stick to my plan. That was the result of my mistake yesterday. So guys, we are currently in a drawdown on this trade. But I still believe this trade is going to buy. So let's just wait and see. Let's go. What's good, guys? Good morning. I couldn't end the video yesterday, so I had to wait for today. There was light out at my place and everything went off, so I couldn't even monitor my trade. So you could see that the trade I entered yesterday is still running. But I've closed the trade at 1:2. When the light came, price was around this level, so I just had to close it out. And so that's it, guys. So I'll be ending the video here, and then we will be I'll be ending the video here, and then that will be all for this video. So we'll see you in the next one. And if you enjoyed the video, kindly hit the like button of this video, subscribe to the channel below, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that every time I drop valuable content just like this one, you get notified. So see you in the next one. Peace and love. I'm out.